Hi, everyone, and welcome to week 5. It's hard to believe the semester is getting by us so quickly. So, this week, we're going to be talking about cultural identification. Last week, we talked a lot about culture. We learned about the definition of culture and those type of things. This week, we're going to go a little bit more deep and talk about identifying with culture. So, let's look at our learning outcomes for this week. So the objectives of this week are 1, to articulate your own cultural identity, 2, to understand other cultural identities. One of the important things about cultural learning is to be able to compare and contrast your home culture with other cultures, and recognizing that you have a culture and how to talk about it, how to talk about the differences there. We're going to try to understand how workplace behaviors can be determined by culture. So, really bringing those elements of culture into the workplace and seeing some examples. And as I mentioned, comparing and contrasting. So, what's going on this week as far as activities? So, we've got the graded discussion on iceberg and onion activity. I think you'll have a lot of fun with that. We also have another graded discussion on the GlobeSmart profile. That's a fun activity to learn more about your own cultural identity. And then we have the first assignment that you've had in the class, which involves writing a short paper and posting it to the assignment Dropbox. The assignment is really from your textbook, from your GlobeSmart textbook. Involves reading through the chapter and posting a Word document or PDF to the discussion board. I wanted to mention I think you're all doing great on the discussion board. If you have any questions or are unsure about anything, I really appreciate if you reach out to me and ask questions. I'm not getting a lot of feedback from you. I try to post feedback as much as possible on your discussions. But if you ever have a question or need clarification on anything, please know I'm available to answer those questions. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.